Yeah, I was having some problems with this Tech Voyager Pro charging correctly and showing the correct temperatures and everything. And I tracked everything down to some dirt and corrosion that was in the dock for the Tech. And as you can see, I have my Tech in this aluminum enclosure, so I've never really taken it out of here before since I installed it. And I put quite a few thousand miles on this bike doing ADV type riding. And there was quite a bit of mud and dirt and everything that managed to get in the cradle in there. And I took it apart, cleaned it real good. I even had to very, very lightly kind of sand the contacts because they were a tad corroded. And I did have the dielectric grease on there, but it had washed out. So I cleaned it up and put more grease on it and put it together. And I also added some little foam spacers under here so everything fits really tight and doesn't move. And now I took it out and rode it about 20 miles and everything's working flawlessly again. So something to watch out for if you're running it inside of this aluminum enclosure and don't remove it very often. Quite a bit of gunk works into the dock and causes problems. Thanks.